Hey YouTube, this is Malin's Maths.
I'm right back up with another YouTube video.
Okay, so today we're going to learn how to add and subtract mixed numbers. So we will start off with 2 and 4/5 plus 3 and 2/5. Okay, who can tell me the first thing you need to do whenever you're going to add or subtract a mixed number? Hands up. Okay, Shay. What's the first thing we need to do when adding or subtracting a mixed number?
Change it into a top-heavy fraction.
Excellent. Change it into a top-heavy fraction. And Shay, can you change 2 and 4/5 for me into a top-heavy fraction, telling me what you do?
Times the whole number by the denominator.
Okay, which is
10.
10.
And then you add the numerator.
Okay, 10 add 4 is
14.
14. And what do I put it over?
The denominator.
Which is
5.
5. And can you do the next one for me as well, please?
17 over 5.
Yes, 3 5s are 15. And add 2 is 17. And you put it over 5. Okay, very good, Shay. Okay, so to add or subtract fractions, what do we need to do first of all? What must they both have? Pardon, Shay? The same denominator. So let's look at this number, these two fractions. 14 over 5 plus 17 over 5. Do they have the same denominator?
Yes.
Yes, so we don't have to change them. We're going to keep them both out of 5. So it's 14 over 5 plus 17 over 5 is 31 over 5. We do not have to add the bottom row, isn't that correct?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, so we're going to change 31 over 5 into a mixed number. Hands up who can tell me how to change 31 over 5 into a mixed number. Okay, Ewan, how do you do it?
Do what? Oh, it's 31 divided by 5.
Okay, 31 divided by 5 is what?
6 remainder 1.
6 remainder 1. And what do we do with the remainder?
You put the remainder over the denominator.
Okay, and what is the denominator?
5.
6 and 1/5. Excellent, Ewan. Okay, so let's try a harder one. 2 and 3/4 plus 2 and a third. Okay, first thing we're going to do, Orla, is...
Times the 2 by 4.
Okay, and what do you get?
8
And then?
plus 3.
And that gives you
11.
11 over 4. So we have to change them into top-heavy fractions. Okay, the next part, Orla?
Times the 2 and 3.
And you get?
6.
And then?
Add 1.
And you get?
7.
And put it over?
3.
Okay, so now we need to get the same bottom row, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, well what number do 4 and 3 both divide into? 12. And we always try to go for the smallest number so we don't have to cancel down at the end. So we're going to make them both something out of 12. Okay, how many times does 4 go into 12?
3.
So this first fraction is going to be 3 times bigger. And 3 11s are?
33.
33. And how many times does 3 go into 12, Orla?
4.
And that means we have to make this fraction 4 times bigger. And 4 7s are?
28.
28. Okay, so now what do I do to find the answer? Okay, Orla, what do we do?
You add 33 and 28.
Okay, 33 add 28, which is
61 over 12.
all over 12, which is 61 over 12. Very good. Could you change that to a mixed number, anybody?
5 remainder 1.
Yeah, it goes 5, 12 into 60 goes 5 times, remainder 1, so we put the 1 over the 12. Excellent. Okay, so let's do a taking away one this time, right? So 6 and 2/5 take away 3 1/2. First thing we will do is change them into what?
Top-heavy fraction.
Top-heavy fractions. And we do that. 6 5s are, plus 2 is,
33.
and we put it over what it's already over, which is 5. Take away 3 2s are, plus 1 is 7 over 2. Now we need to find a common denominator. 10. Excellent. So how many times bigger will 32 over 5 become? 2 times bigger. And 2 32s are?
64.
And how many times bigger will 7 over 2 become? 5. And 5 7s are? Okay, and now we're taking away this time. That's the only difference. So 64 take away 35 is what? 29. So our answer is 29 over 10, and changing it into a mixed number is
2 and 1 over 2.
2 and
9 over 10.
9 over 10. Very good, 11 over 2. Well done.